Alright, what's up?
Hey guys, how you
Africa?
doing? We in the motherland.
You know. Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Joy. We in Morocco doing the Moroccan things. We on the way to the
Couldn't
blue
tell you
city.
exactly where we are right now, but we are surrounded by some gorgeous mountains.
Look at those montañas. Damn.
The melanin though coming through.
We are officially in the blue city.
Sometimes you can see some small doors, but that means it's about big houses with a big area, with big gardens. This is the Andalusian, and this is the Moorish, the architecture for our buildings. And also the sunshine can cover all the houses. And we are lucky here in Chefchaouen because Morocco had known by 2004 a big horrible earthquake that touched all of Morocco, but we are so lucky here, nothing being destroyed or damaged. Our windows before in the past were so different. When about Jewish houses, they have and they contain big windows.
So we are at
I
lunch.
want to get the chicken skewers because I know it.
3 courses is 85,
I should try it because it's like
which is like 8 euros. That's cheaper.
that tastes like pickles.
What are you getting to eat?
I think I'm gonna get the chicken pastilla.
Ooh.
Yeah.
So we have salads, omelets, eggplant, smoothies. Ooh, we got tagine.
Tagine or whatever.
Ooh, she got shrimp. We got the same thing. Dessert.
It's so rich. Damn. I told my dad I'm gonna become a billionaire by creating a genetically modified lemon for restaurants. That doesn't have sense.
Ooh, we in our room. It's kind of small, but it works. Grocery store. Those one. Is that one?
That's like cooking oil.
It's probably the same amount. He gonna be like, that's in Africa. Here the pins de rosine. They have all these oils. A natural hair junkie would go crazy. So I'm gonna get aloe oil, eucalyptus body soap, rose water. Oh, they got a little gift basket. Their honey is good.
The honey is fresh.
Look at all this market.